It's hot out and I am sweating. So the last thing I want to do is turn up the fire on the stove or crank on the oven. I need something cooling. So I think we should make a soup. And I know what you're thinking. Frankie, soup is hot. To which I say, not always and not today. Let me show you how to make a nice cool cucumber soup.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We start with cucumbers. We want to peel the skin off the cucumber and we want to get to the essence of the cucumber. That was very satisfying, I have to say. I can't think of a more cooling ingredient. Cucumbers are full of water, so they're extremely cooling and highly hydrating. Basically, just try to chop these up into pieces that the blender can handle. We're not cooking with heat, so the main tool today is the blender. All right, cucumbers are going in. I picked up this blender at a garage sale, and you know what? It's coming in really handy right now. Depending on the size of your blender, you might have to do this in 2 batches. Mine's a little small. I'm gonna chop up some chives here, because if you don't have a super powerful blender, this really helps. Jalapenos. So I'm roughly chopping up my jalapenos, and I'm gonna leave the seeds and veins in there because I want that spice. I got a whole bunch of cilantro here. I'm gonna literally roll this up into a ball and run my knife through it. So we've got parsley, and that's that. Let's do half of each. Parsley, cilantro. Cool, and I've got another pile for my next batch. Got some scallions. Cool, we'll get half of that. And finally, I'm gonna put one of these avocados. This is pretty soft, so I can just squeeze it right in, and that's what I'm gonna do. Beautiful. Let's blend it up. So now that I've made a little more room in the blender, I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. We're gonna come in with some Greek yogurt, and this is going to really accentuate that cooling vibe. And we're gonna come in with some lemon. So lemon is gonna make sure that nothing oxidizes and we have that gorgeous green color, but it also is gonna balance out the fattiness from that yogurt. All right, let's blend it. So now you should definitely taste it before you serve it in the bowl. Add some salt and pepper, a little more lemon if necessary. And we are just about done. We can serve it right into a bowl, or we can chill it for an even more cooling effect. All right, got this really awesome looking, gorgeous color here. So the soup itself should be creamy and smooth, but we're gonna put some toppings on it, which is gonna give us some textural variance. Gonna hit it with some avocado. I like to put some ingredients in the chunky state on the soup so you can see what's on the inside. Come in with some cooling radishes, and we'll hit it with some cilantro leaves. The color of the soup looks fantastic. The toppings make it pop even more. It looks great. It's $2.06 a serving. So what do you say we cool off this heat wave and dig in? All right. Woo! Yum. It's creamy, it's cooling, it's spicy. It's a complete meal that doesn't weigh you down. It's so refreshing, it'll keep you cool all summer long.